Are you ready to transform your body in just 30 days, all from the comfort of your own home? No gym, no fancy equipment, just you and a simple yet powerful workout plan that delivers real results. Sounds impossible? Stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. In this video, I'll share a 30-day home workout plan that burns fat, builds lean muscle, and transforms your body fast. Whether you're a beginner or ready to level up, this routine delivers results. Let's get started. Workout number 1, push-ups. This classic exercise is a complete upper body and core workout, targeting your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even engaging your abs. To do it right, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle, and then push back up. For beginners, aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps in week 1 and progress to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps by week 4. Advanced variations like incline or decline push-ups can be added in the final weeks to further challenge your muscles. Push-ups not only build upper body strength, but also improve core stability and overall endurance. Workout number 2, body weight squats. These are perfect for strengthening your legs, glutes, and core while improving balance and flexibility. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and arms extended forward for balance. Push your hips back as though sitting into a chair, lowering yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Press through your heels to return to standing. For week 1, start with 3 sets of 15 reps and gradually increase to 3 sets of 20 to 25 reps by week 4. To intensify in later weeks, add jump squats or pause at the bottom for 3 seconds. Squats not only tone your lower body, but also promote joint health and boost your metabolism. Workout number 3, lunges. Lunges are phenomenal for targeting your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while improving your balance and coordination. Begin by standing tall, stepping one leg forward, and lowering your body until both knees form 90-degree angles. Ensure your front knee stays behind your toes, then push through your front heel to return to standing before switching legs. In week 1, perform 3 sets of 8 reps per leg, increasing to 12 to 15 reps per leg by week 4. As you progress, add walking lunges or reverse lunges to keep the challenge fresh. Lunges are excellent for sculpting and strengthening your lower body and addressing muscle imbalances. Workout number 4, planks. This is the ultimate core stability exercise, targeting your abs, back, shoulders, and glutes. To perform a plank, get into a forearm position with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Engage your core and hold the position without letting your hips sag or rise. For week 1, aim for 3 rounds of 20 to 30 seconds. Increase your hold time by 10 to 15 seconds each week, reaching up to 60 seconds per round by week 4. For added intensity, incorporate side planks or shoulder taps in the later weeks. Planks build a rock-solid core, enhance posture, and reduce the risk of back pain. And there you have it, your 30-day transformation plan. No gimmicks, no excuses, just a structured, effective routine that works. Follow this plan, track your progress, and you'll be amazed at how much you can achieve in just 1 month. If you're ready to commit, hit that like button and drop a comment saying, "I'm in." Let's crush this together. Your transformation starts now. See you in the next video.